So people ask me, where is Friday Creek? So, well, that's Friday Creek. There you go. This is what I wake up to of a morning. It's pretty nice. It's quite beautiful. I make do. Macadamia nut down here, and down the hills the guava I stole seed from. Actually, I stole the whole fruit from Hari Krishna's. There's my fig tree that was sent in the post from Justine Drew in Narracourt. It used to be a fig tree that I got from the neighbours and grew and gave to everybody, and now it's come back to me, and it's pretty cool. I love that fruit. There's my salubrious accommodation. It's pretty comfortable if your standards are low. Mine are. And there's that's a pecan. Thanks to Haridi Dandy Utah Panny for this one. Beautiful pecan. I've got a mango down there, got frosted, but I think it's coming good. I think my banana's coming good too. This is the king avocado. Look at that. Pretty strong. It's had a snake in here once. Yeah, carpet python all tied up and comfy in there. I'll have a swim later. What I really need is a selfie stick. Toodaloo.